Hi, it's Sabine, I'm back. I would like to show you how to make a single crochet. That's what it looks like. A dichte Masche. You see, I already made some. I'll show you. It's cold outside, so it's nice to stay inside and crochet. That's how I do it. Stitch into here, can you see? And just go like this. And then make a chain for the turnaround, and let me show you. Stitch into this one, as the first single crochet on that row, and then just keep going all the way to the end. Make a turnaround chain and then stitch into the first single crochet, and that's what it'll look like. That's very simple. That's what you usually learn first in crocheting. Pretty, and that's a pretty sun yellow color, isn't it? Till soon. Bye.